Good morning, class. These days we are doing the chapter articles, and you know very well that a, an, and the. These three are called articles, where a and n are called indefinite article, and the is called definite article. So, yesterday we did about the a and n, that is indefinite article, means definite is not there, and when we are talking about the is called definite article. So today we are doing the use of indefinite article, and then we will do exercise, and we will also study about the definite article. So use of indefinite article. Indefinite article means a and the. A and n where they are used. See 6 number, what is written here? I want a pen. I want pens. This is a chair. These are chairs. He has an apple. He has apples. So the word pen, chair, apple are singular nouns, and they have a or n before them. So what is here? Means if the noun is singular. If the noun is singular means if the noun is one, only then we can use a and n there. If the noun is one, then only we can use a and n. Singular means one. See another thing also. Moreover, these nouns have their plural forms. When we have used the forms pens, chairs, apples, such nouns are also countable. We can count pens, we can count chairs, we can count apples. So countable singular noun takes a or n, but plural cannot take a or n. Means if countable noun is singular and countable means one fan, one chair, one book, one boy, one girl, one table, we can use a or n. But when it is tables, chairs, books, boys, girls, we cannot use a or n. So it is the thing clear to you, I think. Means when the noun is singular and countable, then we can use a or n there. Now see number 7. It's very important. Read the sentence. I like milk. There is sugar in it. This ring is made of gold. So the words milk, sugar and gold are also nouns. The words milk, sugar and gold, they are also noun. Yes, the name of the things are there. But they have no a or n before them. We have not used a milk, a sugar, a gold. Have we used? No. Why? What is the reason? Because they are not countable. Because they are uncountable. So what we can say? We can use a or n with only the singular and countable noun. No plural, no uncountable. Plural, no cross, or uncountable, no cross. Means we cannot use a or n there. So the things are clear to you? Yeah. Now see number 8 downside. I want a glass of milk. The door is made of glass. I want a glass of milk means it is countable. The door is made of glass. It is not countable. He passed through a wood. A wood is countable. But this table is made of wood. It is not countable. So The thing is very much clear means a or an can be used with singular and countable noun. So it was about the use of indefinite article a and an. Now see the next page. See this exercise. So this means the some nouns are countable and some are uncountable according to their use. Very often the same word has two different meanings. So in exercise number 29, we have to fill a or an where necessary. We have to fill where necessary, otherwise make a small cross. Just as he likes dash coffee. Coffee, can we count coffee? No. So what will be the answer? Cross. He has dash inkstand. We can count the inkstand, then an inkstand. Is there any difference between dash s and dash donkey? S and S and a donkey. Do you buy dash sugar? Sugar, can you count sugar? No. So cross. She has ear for music. Ear we can count. Then an ear. And music, can we count? No. Then it is cross. The teacher put him dash question. We can count the questions. How many questions are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is a question, right? In this way you can solve this exercise, of course. Now see downside, number 9. What is here? See. Use of the definite article. So what is definite article? It is the. The definite article the has many uses. However, its main uses are following. It has many uses, but we are discussing about the some. A brother and a sister once lived in a house by a stream near jungle. A brother, a sister, a house, a stream near a jungle. One day, the brother left the house and went to the jungle to the sister. The sister went to the stream. So see here very carefully. When we are known to the persons or thing, we use the there. First of all, we were unknown to the brother, sister, house, stream. We heard about all these things first time. But when we come to know about all these things, we use the then. Means now they have become definite. अब हम उनके बारे में जान गए हैं. Now we know about them. So we can use the there. One day the brother left the house and went to the jungle. The sister went to the stream. Clear? Now see. It is used when who or what is referred is to quite obvious. When we know very much about the who and what. I said to the servant, where is the dog? Means we know very much about the servant and we know very much about the dog. That's why we use the there. We are familiar with them. I went as far as the post office. We are familiar with the post office. We know where it is. So we have used the word the here. Now you see. In this exercise, you have to fill the blank with a, an or the where it is necessary. With a, an or the where it is necessary. Our teacher told us an interesting story on a Sunday morning. It was The story of a man and a dog. We know very much about the story, therefore I have written the. We learned how the dog saved the man's life. We thanked the teacher for the story. See, first of all, our teacher told us an interesting story. It is quite new on a Sunday morning. It was the story, because we know about the story earlier. It was the story of a man and a dog. They both are new. We learned how the dog saved the man's life. We thanked the teacher for the story. So in this way we can fill a and an, the, and you are very much capable of filling all these. So try, and then we shall do the next. It's bye for today.